Disclaimer. The lesson presented in this video is based on content from the book Reading Juice for Kids 1. The images used are sourced from various origins. All rights to the original content and images belong to their respective owners. Welcome to Unit 4, the Deep Sea Robot. In this unit, we're going to learn more about Alvin. Alvin is a small submarine. It helps scientists explore the deep ocean. It has lights, cameras, and robot arms. Scientists can study the ocean with Alvin. But first, let's start with some warm-up exercises. What are the words for the ocean? Look at the words. Choose the ones that are about the ocean. Let's explore some important vocabulary. Learning these words will help you understand the story more easily when we read it later. Reach. To get to a place or arrive somewhere. Ocean floor. The bottom of the ocean. Famous. Well known by many people. Dive. To jump into water. Submarine. Boat or ship that can go underwater. Study. To try to know and understand. Let's find out if you can use each vocabulary word correctly by completing the sentences. Simply click your answers. Number 1. We can find colorful corals on the blank. Answer. Ocean floor. We can find colorful corals on the ocean floor. Number 2. The blank musician Stevie Wonder is completely blind. Answer. Famous. The famous musician Stevie Wonder is completely blind. Number 3. She thinks it's difficult to blank science. Number 3. Study. She thinks it's difficult to study science. Number 4. The whales blank down to deeper water. Answer. Dive. The whales dive down to deeper water. Number 5. We saw a big blank in the dock. Answer. Submarine. We saw a big submarine in the dock. Number 6. She cannot blank her book on the shelf. Answer. Reach. She cannot reach her book on the shelf. Now it's time to read the passage. While reading, pay close attention to the vocabulary you have recently learned and remember what they mean. This will help you understand the story even better.
The Deep Sea Robot. The ocean is about 3,600 meters deep. It is not easy to go down to the ocean floor, but scientists know how to study it. Scientists use submarines. One famous deep-sea submarine is called Alvin. It is small, but it can dive 4,500 meters deep. Can reach the ocean floor. Alvin can carry 2 scientists and a pilot. It has windows, lights, and cameras. The ocean floor is dark and cold. Scientists cannot go out, but they can use Alvin. Alvin has 2 big robot arms. Scientists can take samples of soil, water, or sea life with Alvin's arms. Alvin may be small, but it does a great job for us.
Now, let's assess your understanding of the story by answering the following questions. Simply click the appropriate choice. Number 1. The passage is mainly about blank. Answer. A special submarine. Passage is mainly about a special submarine. Number 2. A blank can reach the ocean floor. Answer. Submarine. A submarine can reach the ocean floor. Number 3. Alvin has windows, cameras, and blank. Answer. Lights. Alvin has windows, cameras, and lights. Read the sentences about the story. Decide if each one is true or false by clicking your answer. Number 1. Alvin helps scientists study the ocean floor. True. Number 2. Alvin can carry 4 people. False. Alvin can only carry 3 people. Let's check how well you understood the story. Try answering the activities that follow. Simply click your answer. Number 1. I cannot blank the top. I am too small. Answer. Reach. I cannot reach the top. I am too small. Number 2. When I grow up, I want to be a blank singer. Answer. Famous. When I grow up, I want to be a famous singer. Number 3. I love insects. I want to blank them more. Answer. Study. I love insects. I want to study them more. Complete the graphic organizer. Read the problems and how scientists solve them. Then look at the yellow words and write the correct word in each blank to complete the chart. Problem number 1. The ocean floor is blank. Answer. Deep. The ocean floor is deep. Solution 1, letter A. Scientists use blank. Answer. Submarines. Scientists use submarines. Solution 1, letter B. Alvin can blank 4,500 meters deep. Answer. Dive. Alvin can dive 4,500 meters deep. Problem number 2. Scientists cannot go out without Alvin. Solution number 2. Scientists use Alvin's blank to take samples. Answer. 2 robot arms. Scientists use Alvin's 2 robot arms to take samples. This graphic shows how submarines help scientists explore the deep ocean and how Alvin's robot arms help them collect samples without going outside. In problem 1, the ocean floor is very deep. Scientists need something to go down there. So the solution is, scientists use submarines like Alvin. Alvin can dive deep into the ocean up to 4,500 meters. In problem 2, scientists cannot go outside Alvin. They need a way to collect samples. So the solution is, scientists use Alvin's 2 robot arms to take samples from the ocean floor. Congratulations on completing this lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new from our lesson today. Keep practicing and don't forget to review what you learned. See you again next time for another fun and easy lesson. Do you want to use this ESL PowerPoint in your own class or get the video version too? I'd be happy to share it with you completely free. Just subscribe to this channel and leave a comment saying, "Subscribed," send me the slide along with your email address. I'll send the PowerPoint and the video if you'd like, directly to your inbox as a thank you for your support.